Do you struggle with jaw pain, frequent headaches, worn or chipped teeth, or a jaw that feels tight or stuck? In many cases, the problem starts with your bite. When your teeth don't come together properly, it creates constant friction, forcing your muscle and jaw joint to work overtime. That's where Disclusion Time Reduction, or DTR therapy, comes in. It uses advanced technology to identify where the imbalance is coming from. With this data, precise adjustments can be made, helping your jaw move more smoothly and allowing your muscle to relax.
My mouth is totally relaxed. And I guess this is what I was, this is how it should be.
If you're tired of living with discomfort, it may be time to evaluate your bite. Contact Presidential Holistic and Biological Dentistry today and take the first step toward lasting healing.